Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, hi, my name is Deborah. In today's video, we are doing a full face of very affordable Wet n Wild products. And Wet n Wild was so very kind to sponsor this video, so thank you to them for sponsoring this YouTube video and for sending me these beautiful products that I created this look with. While you are here, I would kindly ask you to like and subscribe, as one does when they watch a YouTube video. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, if you want to see how to get this look with very affordable products, just keep on watching. And the products are linked below with a discount code for 25% off these already crazy affordable products. What? Yeah, that's right. You heard me right. The products are linked below with a 25% discount code. So, if that's not enough motivation to keep on watching, I don't know what is. So let's just get right into this video, shall we? We shall. Hey guys, it's me, Mario. Oh wow, look, now I have brows on. Oh, now I'm tapping my face. And we're going to go in the Wet n Wild Stick Foundation. Oh, Jesus Christ, I forgot the name. Let me go see. We are going to go in with the Wet n Wild PhotoFocus Stick Foundation in Buff Beige. And we're just spreading that all around the face like you would any foundation. It's kind of fun because it's a stick foundation. And now I'm going to go in with that foundation, but this one is in the color Classic Beige. It's just a little bit darker of a color. I wanted to mix some colors to kind of contour just a little bit around my face. And I am using the Wet n Wild Beauty Sponge. It's very squishy and soft, and it really blends your foundation in quite nicely. Oh yes, it wouldn't be a fun video if we didn't make weird faces, would it now? Pounce that foundation in, girl. Pounce it in. Pouncy, pouncy, pouncy. And don't forget the neck, darling, or you will look like a fool. Now we are going in with the Wet n Wild MultiStick in Nudie. And we're using this to contour the face even more, drawing it down our cheeky bones and our nose so we can look snatched, you know what I mean? And we're doing a little bit on the chin and the forehead too, because, you know, you don't look as cute if you've got a big old chinny chin chin. So now we are just patting that in with our Ben Nye brush. And just working that contour in. It's going to take a while. You want that blend to be perfect, don't you? Yes, you do. And again, this is the Ben Nye RB154 brush. What a name for a brush. That's not very marketable. I should email Ben Nye and tell them they need to have better names for their brushes. But it is a great brush, so, you know, we'll let it slide. And now I am also working it in with my Morphe E2 brush just to get an even better blend. Blendy, blend, blend. Get that contour to the gods. You know what I'm saying, darling? Yes. Yes, make those faces. It makes your makeup go on better if you make weird faces. Oh, crack your neck. You gotta crack your neck. Oh, I don't know why I'm making that face. But now we are going in with the Wet n Wild Color Icon Blush. And this is a beautiful coral pink shade for a nice natural flush to the cheeks. And I'm just tapping that into the apples of my cheeks with my Sephora blush brush. And I start in the apples of the cheeks and then just kind of work it back towards the hairline so it all blends quite nicely. And now I'm going in with the Wet n Wild highlighter. This highlighter is so beautiful, fam. And I'm taking it in with a Morphe M501 brush. Ooh, that glow though. Girl, we are glowing for the gods, as they say. And I am shook. Shookity shook and speechless. Because this glow, oh my god. And for the price, ooh. Girl, you would be a fool not to get this highlighter. Truly. It works as well as any of my $40 highlighters, and it is a fraction of the price. So now I'm going back in with my Wet n Wild MultiStick in Nudie, and this time I'm using it for the eyes, and I'm just getting it in the crease there and tapping it in with my finger because we are doing a very easy peasy makeup look today, a very wearable everyday, on-the-go kind of glam. And now we are going in with the Wet n Wild MultiStick, and this one is in the color Born to Flirt. And I'm not a very good flirt, but if I were, I would wear this color more. But maybe this color will help us learn how to flirt. Am I right, ladies? So we are just tapping that in with our finger, and this color we are concentrating on our lid. Yes. Now I'm going back in with my Wet n Wild Color Icon MultiStick in Nudie and just tapping that under the eyes to get some nice dimension under the eyes so we look nice and awake. Now I'm going in with my Wet n Wild Metallic Liquid Eyeliner. And this eyeliner is so pretty, and it just works so nicely to draw a nice sharp wing. And then poof, our other eye is magically done. Wow, the magic of editing. Now I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Mega Volume Mascara, and we are just adding some darkness to our lashes, darling, because we wouldn't want to do our eyeliner and leave our lashes bare. No. And I am now going in with my Wet n Wild lipstick in the color, I can't see, in the color Undercover Lover. And this red lipstick is so beautiful. I actually wore this lipstick out to dinner with my family, and to my very shock and surprise, it lasted throughout the whole dinner, and I was eating some really messy food. Now I'm going in with my Wet n Wild PhotoFocus Rose 3-in-1 Setting Spray. And this is adding a beautiful glow to the face and just helping all the makeup melt down nicely into the skin for a beautiful finish. Darling. Whoa. Okay, guys, this is the finished look. And I really love how it came out. So I feel like I've never looked so glowing in my life. I don't know if it's coming off on camera or not, but like that glow though. And my two favorite products of today were the Wet n Wild Highlighting Powder in Mega Glow and the PhotoFocus Rose 3-in-1 Primer Water that I set my face with. I think that is why I'm so glowy, and I'm really loving it. And this is like a really nice classic glam. Like literally anyone could wear this look and be happy and feel comfortable with it. I did pop on lashes off camera, but you don't have to wear lashes. I just literally don't feel comfortable without lashes because I have no God-given lashes. So I was also super impressed with this beauty sponge. I can't believe how soft it is. Like usually these sponges, they're just too hard, but this one is beautiful. It's very soft and squishy and really blends the foundation well. 1 second. I was also incredibly impressed with this PhotoFocus Stick Foundation. Oh my god, like I really feel like the coverage is beautiful. It's not like super full, it seems more of like a medium to buildable coverage foundation, which is my personal favorite because it looks more like skin. It just blends in really well and looks really natural and pretty. This is available in 20 shades. So today I used 2 different shades just to get a little bit of highlight and contour going. The one I used mostly on my face was the Buff Beige, which is a light medium shade. And then I also used Classic Beige just to contour around the face. And speaking of contour, I was really impressed with these Color Icon multi-sticks that I used both as a contour and on my eyes. First of all, the fact that you can use them on your eyes and as contour was crazy. So the one I used as contour around my face, I was just really impressed with like the color it was, the blendability. I was worried that it was gonna like blend a little choppy just because I don't use cream contours for that reason, but this one is really nice. Oh, I love it. Like I love the way my skin looks right now. Super happy, gonna go hang out with my dad and my sister in a little bit. So I do have a discount code for you guys. I will leave it in the description box below. It will get you 25% off your Wet n Wild purchase. 25% off a brand that is already crazy affordable. I mean, who can resist that kind of deal, you know what I'm saying? So, the discount code will be in the description below. And I guess that's it for this video. Oh my god, I almost forgot to ask you to like and subscribe. Literally keep forgetting to do that in all my videos. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And let's do a question of the day. What is your favorite type of cuisine, okay? So later today, my sister and my dad and I are gonna go eat some Asian food. I don't know if that's my favorite, but like it's up there, you know what I mean? Like, can I really pick a favorite? Probably Mexican, to be honest. Yeah, I could always eat some tacos. Literally, put a taco in front of me, I'll eat it, even if I'm full. I just need those tacos. So, leave me a comment with your favorite type of cuisine, because I'm obviously pretty hungry. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked and subscribed, because like I did ask you to, and if you don't do something that people ask you, it's a little bit rude, you know what I mean? Also, leave me a comment if you like this kind of video where I just do a voiceover. It is a little easier for me to record, just because it takes less time for me to edit. So, let me know in the comments below. Thank you again for watching. I will bid you adieu. I gotta go walk little Mr. Gizmo, and I will talk to you later. Goodbye.